Must say all they can well packed, and we have these models for parts. But actually this Stepney look really good. Little corrosion, we'll fix it in a minute. There is obvious corrosion, and we are about to nickel plate this piece. Piece removed, and now we are nickel plating. It looks okay, and we added some lube to it. That motor is quiet and perfect. Also, we are done nickel plating, and we have this piece ready to go. No, that gear is broken. Look how it spins. Done. Works perfect. So the coupler is broken, and we're gonna get it out of this broken Thomas. This is for parts. Wow, I didn't know Stepney is getting expensive. I just saved it 35 bucks. Yeah, you can check on eBay. This model is expensive. Very good. Another Amazon product sent by the company Besmory face painting kit. Comes with a brush and 2 sponges, 4 stencils, stickers, some glitter, sticker gems, and some gloves. Thank you, Besmory, for sending this set. Now, Skarloey is a heat toy company, and it looks good in the outside, and I don't know why the seller states it's not working, but the battery contacts are clean. Now here is what it is working. Little noisy, but it's working. Here is how the motor looks on the inside. Little dirty. Now this is the problem. If it comes loose very easily, then it is, yes. You might not notice the crack, but it's one of these tooths. It's actually this one right here. It's wired open. That makes the noise. Now I put a new one. I added some lube, and notice the difference. Very smooth. Yep, I definitely fixed it. It is in very good condition. Let me tell you, these models that came in this box, they are very clean, shiny, reflective, like new. You can notice the differences compared with the other ones. Well, let's see. Mavis is 2009 Mattel, and it looks very clean outside, very good condition. Well, let me tell you, I see some corrosion here. That's easy fix. So Mavis is not working. I don't know what's going on with this Mavis. Okay, now it works, but it's skipping. One of these gears is skipping or something. This is Mavis motor, and I find right there, I don't know if you can see it, there is a tiny piece of pebble right there. That's the problem that causes the noise. I also find this cog, it's cracked up, and see, yeah, it just broke. I need a replacement. Alright, moment of truth. That is ready for Mavis. We also got rid of the corrosion. Well, here is Mavis ready to hit the stores. Yep, customtrackmasters.com or eBay. Now, what's wrong with Gordon? Need a coupling, battery contact, okay. There is a fresh battery. Maybe the cable has been snapped. I don't know what's going on with Gordon, but we're gonna find out. Okay, I think I found the problem. See, this wire is disconnected, because if I give it some power, works. Make sure you clean all the cogs inside the gearbox. Since the coupling is broken, I cut two of these custom rubber couplings made on my X-Tool M1, and I leave one like this and the other one loose, like this. Well, the idea is to make a sandwich so you can hide the best you can this cable. Then you may ask, is it flexible? Yes, it's very flexible, very strong, because we have two instead of one. Now Gordon is working. Should we continue fixing? Well, let's see. Talking James. What's going on with Talking James? Battery contacts look clean. Now let's put some fresh batteries. Let me tell you what I found out. Now, the seller claims or states it's not working, but he forgot. He turned the switch on and pushed this button right here.
I'm James.
So obviously it's working fantastic. You just need a little cleaning, because the problem is you need to turn the switch on, and to make it run you need to push this button right here.
Hello, I'm James.
That's a very nice model. Now, if you're interested in buying one of these models, check customtrackmasters.com next day, not today, because I am just uploading the video today and they will be available tomorrow. This model here is a remote control Hiro. I do not have a remote control in hand and it can't be tested, but I can see the battery contacts are very clean, and it just needs a little cleaning. Talking about the wheels and everywhere else, and the decals are decent. So I hope I can find a remote control soon, and then we can make a test, or I can turn it into 4.5 volts Hiro, and you don't need the remote, but I can do that in another video. The very last model of this box, we have this Henry's Mattel, and the good thing is that comes with a battery cover, and it just needs some rewiring. Battery contacts are clean. This coupling definitely useless. I would love to paint Henry blue like this one, but I guess that's gonna be for another video. Right now I'm just gonna rewire. For the wires I'm using old USB cable from the old cables that you have on your phone. You can get the wires from there. Look at that, nice wires. Now we just proceed to remove the old wires and put the new ones. The motor is in working condition. Now let's put this model together. That coupling is looking good. Now let me finish this model. That is good. Oh la 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 la, okay. Henry is done. Wow. So far we fixed Stepney, Skarloey, Mavis, Gordon. This one was okay. Henry. Maybe I'm gonna turn this in a custom 4. Yeah, let's do this 4.5 volts. Alright, first we need to get rid of the circuit boards. Circuit board out. Now we are leaving these parts like that. Connected the red wire to the positive. With the remaining wires, I'm going to add a safety feature that when the model derails, it will shut off the motor with these wires. Here is how it works. So we have the switch on, it is off, on, and the wheels, once you put it in the flat surface, turns on the motor. Now if it derails, it will shut off automatically. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, now we are ready to assemble. Done with this Hiro. Now it's a custom model. The only thing you got to do is turn the switch on and set the wheels and a flat surface. It's a little faster. I don't have enough room, but as you can see, it's fast. Cool. So basically we fix all these models. Check the link in the description, customtrackmasters.com or eBay.